Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. So coming to you with a pour on a nice big gallery wrapped canvas. This is a 60 by 60 centimetre, so 24 by 24. I've put my masking tape on the back to keep my bottom clean, and I've put my push pins in so it's easy to lift and manoeuvre while they're in, and yeah, that's all good. So what I first did today, which was actually prepared this yesterday, I used my global acrylic paint, and I just put a coat of this turquoise all over it just to get a good coat on it. I was going to complete the painting yesterday, but life got away with me and I had to do other things. So today I'm going to finish my piece off. Now, I did do these colours a few weeks back and I just really love them, and so did my family. So I thought and it was on a small round piece, so I'm going to actually attempt the similar colours to what I did on the round again today on this big canvas. So I'm just pouring the paint onto there, as you see, and I'm just going to actually just spread it out with my sponge brush. So I'm not going to worry too much about the top, because I'm going to put that's where my all the business is going to happen up there, all the good stuff, hopefully. So I'll just run around the edge again of the canvas with my sponge brush and just get it all coated, just taking time, relaxing about it. It's all part of the relaxing process, I suppose. This is just the prep before your good bits. So it's just coating the canvas nice and evenly with this fluid, with this pouring paint. So probably put a bit too much on there now. Can never. It's always obviously better to start with less and add more, but not going to worry about it. It'll be absolutely fine. So that has got that a nice sort of even coat on there. Got more down this end than that end. Okay. Rightio. I think I am probably, yeah, I should probably start, yeah, up there. So we'll see how we go. So this paint was, I'd pre-made it up with the pouring medium. And of course, I always keep the recipe in the drop-down box, and also a link to videos that show you how to make it up. There's a link there. So rightio, the colours that I used before were the dark sea, which I love this colour. So I'm going to start with the dark sea, and I'm going to, would I be better to start down here and, let me think. Yeah, maybe it would be better for me to start in this area here, because I haven't got to lean over this large canvas. So it's just doing the wiggles. It's something anybody can do. If you ever doubted yourself, oh, I'm not an artist, I can't do that. You absolutely can. You will be surprised. And you get better at it with practice, of course. So that's my dark sea down. I want some white in there. I'm gonna, okay, I've got some pre-made up in this bottle. I pre-make these up because white I use a lot. You put a couple of marbles in the bottle, so it helps you mix the paint and doesn't get any big gooby bits. So I'm gonna just wiggle my white. I know that some people have said they've clicked off at this point of my videos because they think, what on earth, she's a mad woman. But those that have stayed on till the end have been pleasantly surprised. So there you go. I am going to use some of this. This was the custom paint that I made up, and it's like turned out a real champagne metallic gold. I mixed it with metallic gold and metallic silver, equal parts, and it makes this gorgeous champagne colour. Really lovely. So I'm going to definitely put some of this beauty in there. It's turned out to be a really lovely colour, so I'm going to do a few different combinations with this particular champagne colour. And it really glistens because of the metallic in it. And then last time I put in the metallic copper, which I'll do again. So it's absolutely gorgeous. I've been really busy with we've got a new puppy. We've had lots of things happening in the household with family and things, so we've had a busy time. Oh, I've had a busy time. I've shown pictures of my new puppy on there, but I'll try and hold it up. Hopefully I'll put it on before this video. Now this is burnt umber, but I added some black to make it real dark. So I do want to put a bit of this in. So I think that will probably do it. I don't need to put no more in. And the next stage is, I'm going to grab my, this is Amsterdam white made up with Floetrol. That will give me some nice lacing because I want to soften the edges down. So I might turn it, turn it this way. That might be easier for me to do the swipes. I'll just check that I've still got you in. Yeah, you're there. Oh, I get paranoid. The camera's gone off after me yabbering on for 20 minutes. Rightio. I am going to add some of this white sort of along there, grab some of those colours to just do kind of wispy swipes down. I have this soft plastic file divider. It looks it's got a bit of dry paint on, and that's absolutely fine. So you just let the end tip in your paint and just do some nice swipies down. Oh, that's laced up beautifully. That's really lovely. Wow, wow, wow. I will bring the camera down in a little while to let you have a look at this lacing. That's just gorgeous. So just wiping off your piece of, this is just soft plastic file divider you get from any Office Works. I just cut it into strips or leave it whole, whatever you want to do with it, but it washes over and over. So I think I must be channeling my inner Cos Creations, Kathleen. Oh, Osmo, that does the lovely swipes. Kathleen does some lovely work, so she does lots of these swipes really beautifully. If you haven't seen Kathleen's channel, please go and have a little sticky beak at the very talented Kathleen. She does lovely work, as do all the artists on YouTube nowadays, they're all very brilliant in their own ways. Rightio, very happy with that so far. So I'm just going to, for the time being, just give it a bit of a whiz over with, this is a heat wand. It's not, I don't very often anymore use butane torch. This does the same thing and it's so much safer. So I'm gonna go over my area that I've painted, get rid of any air bubbles, and go over the area that I've laid that paint down on. I might just tilt my colours back, see if it just moving them slightly to run a bit of paint over the back edge. Just nice and slow. I don't want to lose any of this lovely swiped area, but I'm just moving the colours over one another. So I'll go to the side. It's moving very slow, so obviously the paint is a little bit thick. Now I'll put it back and I'll move it back over this. Okay, just try and recenter it. Oh, I've got lovely colour over the edge. That's beautiful. So I'll just lift that up to recenter it. Recenter the paint. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Really lovely. Okay, so I'm going to try and move this whole canvas down this way to give me plenty of area. Oh. Just move it down here. There we go. So I want to use my big balloon just in this area here to create some gorgeous effects. So wish me luck. You can definitely, oh look at that. That is so gorgeous. Now I need to find a canvas too. I've got one right behind me. I might try bopping it off on the canvas, and then I'll lift it up and show you. So some of the balloon kisses I can definitely just reuse on another. It's going to take me too much. I'm just going to randomly balloon kiss this. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh. So it's just pressing your balloon nice and firmly. If you've got the consistency right on your paint, it'll work as you see it is here. If not, you may need to just walk away and leave your work for half an hour and then come back and balloon kiss it again. But yes, all of these balloon kisses you could definitely be putting onto another canvas. It's just, I haven't got the room at the minute to be working on another canvas. Oh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just wiping it here on my puppy pee pad. I've got plenty of those at the moment because of my puppy. Puppy. She's fast asleep on the floor. Her name is Rosie. Rightio. I am going to leave this for a little while and come back and see if it needs anything else. If it doesn't need any more balloon work, then I'll leave it. I definitely will add a few of this. This is just the small balloon with water in it, so I just press that into the center of the big balloon kisses that I've already done, and it just makes them even more, oh look at that, detailed. So these you can definitely, if you've got cardstock, press them onto cardstock to make your own gift cards. So you get in, you know, a 2-for-1 process. You press these onto a gift card and, well, they just make lovely gift cards or celebration cards, or you can make a calendar out of the art on your card. I've made some, recently I made some book markers with my work because I laminated it. So if you're interested, I can show you how I do that. If you're interested in that, another day we can do that. So many options with this acrylic art. So I'm just doing a few balloon kisses on the side of my work too. Let's move, I've got a painting drying there, so it's just giving me not much room to work. I need a bigger room. I need more space. Okay, I've just balloon kissed up just the sides, but I am going to, I think I'm very happy with that, how it is. So you can either, neither, leave it like that, or bring it around. I mean, I would probably hang it like that, and it's beautiful. It is really lovely. I'm super duper happy with that. I hope you like that. I will bring the camera down actually to show you some of this lovely lace. Okie doke. Well, this is the gorgeous, gorgeous lacing from that first swipe. As you see, it's just shimmering, it's just beautiful. Really happy with that. That's really gorgeous. Look at the detail when you're up close. So much detail. It's like a dripping, icy. That went a bit AWOL, but I'm going to just leave that as it is because it's just all part of the abstract. And then the whole painting, look, oh, some of these, gorgeous. So hopefully it dries beautifully. There's some funny little animal faces I'm seeing in this particular piece, like you do with most of them. It's gorgeous. I'm very happy with it. I don't know whether to hang it in my house or sell it. I'm not sure what to do with it, but it's lovely and it will actually be perfect colours for my place. So hopefully you will have enjoyed that and give it a go yourselves. Hopefully you'll join me again tomorrow. I put a video out every single day, so please join me. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button, and thank you so much. It helps me, but it doesn't cost you anything. So until tomorrow, my lovely people, please take care. Have a great weekend wherever you are in the world. Bye for now.